Hello, I'm Debbie Pinardo, a clinical investigator in the Artistry Innovation and Science Department. All of the Artistry skin nutrition formulas contain a very special ingredient, one that has superpowers because of its multiple benefits. It's called a super seed, and it's our very own. We get it from our own Nutrilite farms. So why white chia seed? Chia is an ancient grain native to Mexico. It is nutrient dense, packed with omega-3, protein, fiber, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. White chia seed was specifically selected by the artistry scientists since it's not only a super seed, but many parts of the seed are beneficial for both nutrition and beauty. It was the perfect functional botanical to be the link between Nutrilite and the new Artistry Skin Nutrition line. And best of all, it's exclusive to Amway, and the variety is patented. Some of the skin benefits include skin barrier repair and improving moisturization, supporting skin's youthful radiance and healthy glow, antioxidant benefits, and helping to balance the skin's microbiome. All skin nutrition formulas contain at least one form of white chia to provide a skin benefit. Many of the formulas contain multiple forms of chia. Let's dive deep into each beauty extract and why is it important for the skin nutrition line. First, the oil. White chia seed is naturally rich in omega-3, an essential fatty acid, which the body cannot produce on its own. It contains the highest plant source of omega-3 at over 60%. The oil contributes to barrier repair and moisturization claims. It helps to strengthen the skin's barrier function and seal in moisture. Our oil is extracted using a clean process through mechanical means only. The seeds are cold pressed to extract the skin moisturizing oil. The oil is then filtered in such a way to maintain the naturally occurring benefits of chia. Second, the oil in a liposome. White chia seed oil can be used directly in a formula or incorporated into a liposome for delivery deep into the skin's surface layers. The liposome is composed of ceramides and lipids that are similar to the skin's natural lipids to help aid in the repair of our skin barrier while delivering the chia oil to the skin. The liposomes used in artistry products are produced with a patented process and are exclusive to Amway. The white chia seed liposome and white chia seed oil work together to strengthen the skin barrier. Third, the extract. White chia seed extract is produced using a patented purification and concentration process at our Nutrilite plant in Quincy, Washington. When used alone, white chia extract supports antioxidant benefits for the skin. When white chia seed is combined with Nutrilite pomegranate, we have patented brightening claims. And finally, the gel. The most recent discovery is white chia seeds application to help support your skin's healthy microbiome. The white chia seeds are processed in a special way to isolate the sugars and polysaccharides for the microbiome benefits to your skin. The white chia seeds are soaked in water, where their super absorbent, water-soluble fiber coating creates a special gel. The white chia seed gel has been shown to help prevent your skin's microbiome from getting out of control. It stabilizes, strengthens, and nurtures the skin's microbiome and keeps it in balance by minimizing the formation of biofilms. This gel is only found in the Artistry Skin Nutrition Toners. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Brooke, an artistry skincare expert. Are you worried that one day you will wake up to find old and unhealthy looking skin? The good news is that I'm here to assure you that biologically speaking, that will not be the case. Skin doesn't have a predetermined date where it suddenly switches from young to old looking. Instead, skin is in a constant flux of visible health, with chronological age being just one factor affecting its healthy appearance. No matter your age, your skin always contains a mixture of both healthy and unhealthy cells. Of course, it's not surprising that as we age, there are biological changes in skin that affect the ratio of healthy and unhealthy skin cells. In older people, skin starts to weaken due to accumulating environmental damage and time. Weakened skin can't protect itself as effectively, leading to further weakening. The result is unhealthier skin overall, which is perceived as showing visible signs of aging. But again, this doesn't happen in a day. Throughout your life, your skin experiences a continuum of healthier and unhealthier, younger acting and older acting cells. That is why all skin needs a mixture of both preventative and reparative skin benefits to look its healthy best. This theory was proven as part of a scientific collaboration between Artistry and Dr. Gary Fisher, Director of the Photoaging and Aging Research Program at the University of Michigan School of Dermatology. By utilizing novel laboratory techniques invented by the university, skin cells were artificially aged to represent 5 different phenotype groups, ranging from young to old. In just 2 weeks, 90 years of chronological aging was simulated. From there, botanical ingredient blends were introduced to the phenotype groups to evaluate their preventative and reparative capabilities. Phenotype group 3 represents the need for both prevention and repair, based on its split mix of healthy and unhealthy skin cells. The most aged group, phenotype group 5, still contains some young-acting skin cells that benefit from interventions geared toward extending youthfulness. With this principle in mind, our scientists added ingredient blends to the ARTISTRY Skin Nutrition Moisturizers that are self-adjusting, meaning they provide both preventative and reparative skin benefits. The ingredients proven to work on the spectrum of phenotype models were included in our moisturizing formulas. For example, the balancing and hydrating face and eye moisturizers predominantly prevent visible signs of aging for a healthier, radiant look. But they also provide a light amount of repair. Our renewing and firming face and eye moisturizers help repair skin's appearance of elasticity and firmness for a healthier, revitalized look. But they also help prevent further visible damage. By using the ARTISTRY Skin Nutrition Moisturizers, you know your skin will be treated with ingredients that both help protect healthy skin cells and help repair damaged ones. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Hi everybody, I'm Brooke, and I'm excited to reveal the secret to visibly healthy skin. It turns out that just like your body needs the right nutrition to be healthy, your skin needs the right nutrition to look its healthy best. You know what I mean. It's when your skin looks and feels amazing, hydrated, smooth, even toned, with that unmistakable radiance. ARTISTRY researchers partnered with experts in dermatology, skin biology, and biochemistry and discovered that there are 5 key skin nutritional requirements that help support and improve skin. Address all 5 requirements and you will see the skin you've always wanted. The 5 requirements are purify, balance, rebuild, moisturize, and protect. Let's go over each one. First, you purify, to keep skin clean, calm, and free of irritants. Then balance, to stabilize and nurture the skin microbiome. Next, rebuild, to strengthen and visibly repair skin by revitalizing its support system. After that, moisturize, to saturate skin with lasting hydration. Finally, protect, to defend skin against the aging effects of UV, pollution, blue light, and more. These requirements are universal. They apply equally to all skin types, all skin tones, all ethnicities, and all ages. And don't worry, we carefully developed the ARTISTRY Skin Nutrition routines to address all 5 key skin nutritional requirements. The cleansers purify, the toners balance, and the moisturizers rebuild, moisturize, and protect. We also made sure that the ARTISTRY Skin Nutrition collection is super flexible. Choose the textures and formulas you love from any of the solutions. Just be sure to cleanse, tone, and moisturize, and you know you've given your skin everything it needs. With ARTISTRY Skincare, it's easy to get the visibly healthy, radiant skin you've been dreaming of. Thanks for joining me. I hope you've learned something new. See you next time. Hi, I'm Brooke. Let's talk about why you should care about your skin's microbiome. Microbiome refers to the community of tiny organisms that live in a certain environment. Thanks to yogurt ads, you may be aware of your gut microbiome, but humans have a skin microbiome too, and it's vital to a healthy look. The science of the microbiome is a fairly new topic for skincare, and our scientists are at the forefront of this fascinating new area of research. The skin microbiome consists of thousands of kinds of bacteria and other microbes, which helps your skin to stay looking healthy. At least that's how it works when everything is in balance. But when the balance is disrupted, bad bacteria can start to take over. Under a microscope, we can see groups of bad bacteria congregating in what is called a biofilm. And these biofilms are bad news for skin and can contribute toward dryness, dullness, and signs of aging. Here's the good news. All Artistry Skin Nutrition toners are proven to help prevent the formation of biofilms and balance your skin's microbiome. The result? Your skin is fresh, healthy looking, and radiant. That's just one of the ways Artistry Skin Nutrition skincare helps you love your visibly healthy skin. Thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something new. See you next time. Hi, I'm Brooke, an Artistry skincare expert. Are you worried that one day you will wake up to find old and unhealthy looking skin? The good news is that I'm here to assure you that biologically speaking, that will not be the case. Skin doesn't have a predetermined date where it suddenly switches from young to old looking. Instead, skin is in a constant flux of visible health, with chronological age being just one factor affecting its healthy appearance. No matter your age, your skin always contains a mixture of both healthy and unhealthy cells. Of course, it's not surprising that as we age, there are biological changes in skin that affect the ratio of healthy and unhealthy skin cells. In older people, skin starts to weaken due to accumulating environmental damage and time. Weakened skin can't protect itself as effectively, leading to further weakening. The result is unhealthier skin overall, which is perceived as showing visible signs of aging. But again, this doesn't happen in a day. Throughout your life, your skin experiences a continuum of healthier and unhealthier, younger acting and older acting cells. That is why all skin needs a mixture of both preventative and reparative skin benefits to look its healthy best. This theory was proven as part of a scientific collaboration between Artistry and Dr. Gary Fisher, director of the Photoaging and Aging Research Program at the University of Michigan School of Dermatology. By utilizing novel laboratory techniques invented by the university, skin cells were artificially aged to represent 5 different phenotype groups, ranging from young to old. In just 2 weeks, 90 years of chronological aging was simulated. From there, botanical ingredient blends were introduced to the phenotype groups to evaluate their preventative and reparative capabilities. Phenotype group 3 represents the need for both prevention and repair, based on its split mix of healthy and unhealthy skin cells. The most aged group, phenotype group 5, still contains some young acting skin cells that benefit from interventions geared toward extending youthfulness. With this principle in mind, our scientists added ingredient blends to the Artistry Skin Nutrition Moisturizers that are self-adjusting, meaning they provide both preventative and reparative skin benefits. The ingredients proven to work on the spectrum of phenotype models were included in our moisturizing formulas. For example, the balancing and hydrating face and eye moisturizers predominantly prevent visible signs of aging for a healthier, radiant look. But they also provide a light amount of repair. Our renewing and firming face and eye moisturizers help repair skin's appearance of elasticity and firmness for a healthier, revitalized look. But they also help prevent further visible damage. By using the Artistry Skin Nutrition Moisturizers, you know your skin will be treated with ingredients that both help protect healthy skin cells and help repair damaged ones. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Hi, I'm Brooke, one of the skin experts who developed the Artistry Skin Nutrition collection. Among the many innovations that went into these amazing products, the Prevent Complex is one of the most exciting because it boosts skin's natural defense system by 350%. By improving skin's ability to delay the visible signs of aging, our exclusive complex helps your skin look younger for longer. The complex is powered by plants, and it includes Nutrilite-grown acerola cherry, Australian daisy, and blackberry extract. To identify the highest performing blend, we screened and tested in our lab over 50 botanicals, and these 3 rose to the top. When we retested them as a blend, their skincare power was greatly enhanced. We developed and validated this breakthrough complex in close partnership with Dr. Gary Fisher at the University of Michigan Department of Dermatology, one of the world's leading researchers in skin aging. A unique facet of the Prevent complex is that it's not solely preventative. It also has some reparative benefits for your skin. This approach enables us to meet your skin on its own terms and deliver exactly what you need. I can't wait for you to see the results. Thanks for joining me. I hope you've learned something new. See you next time. Hi, I'm Brooke, an Artistry skincare expert. Did you know pollution and blue light can detract from healthy looking skin? Let me explain why. Let's start with pollution, specifically microdust. These tiny floating particles absorb toxic molecules from the air and can be tough to remove once they settle into skin. There, they trigger a cascade of irritation, which can speed up the appearance of premature aging. That's why we used innovative testing for Artistry Skin Nutrition Cleansers. We clinically proved they remove microdust pollution from skin, helping stop irritation before it can start. Now what about blue light? Blue light refers to a range of high-energy visible light waves. The newest source of blue light hitting our facial skin is from screens, like the smartphone or tablet you're probably watching on right now. We're learning that long-term skin exposure to blue light can have negative consequences. But screens aren't going anywhere soon. So Artistry Skin Nutrition Moisturizers with SPF also include a special ingredient called carnosine. This is known to help address the visible effects of damage from blue light and help reveal your healthy-looking skin. Defending your skin from pollution and blue light is really important. That's why we've formulated our daytime moisturizers to help keep your skin both more protected and gorgeous. I hope you learned something new. See you next time. How much do you know about your skin? Hi, I'm Brooke, and I'd like to share with you our latest findings. Research is confirming that the surface layer of skin, called the epidermis, is made up of a series of barriers. Each barrier has a specific job to do, and when they all work together, you can achieve beautiful, healthy-looking skin. The defense barrier helps stop common causes of skin irritation before they can negatively affect skin. Next, the microbiome barrier helps keep skin in balance to maintain its healthy look. The support barrier keeps skin smooth, resilient, and firm. Here's one you may have heard of before: the moisture barrier. It keeps water from evaporating out of skin. And then the environmental barrier, which works to protect skin from external aggressors like UV rays, pollution, and blue light. Now here's where it gets interesting. Through studying these skin barriers, my team identified specific nutritional needs in order for them to work their best. Without the right nutrients, this interlocking system starts to falter. Irritation gets past the defense barrier, setting off a spiraling chain reaction. The microbiome barrier falls out of balance, causing further irritation. The support barrier loses flexibility, and lines and wrinkles start to become visible. Water leaks out of the moisture barrier, leaving skin dehydrated. And the natural protections of skin's environmental barrier are no match for the modern world. The result? Skin starts to turn from looking healthy to looking unhealthy. Not overnight, but over time. It's dull, it may be flaky, uneven in tone and texture, with lines and wrinkles getting more and more pronounced. But all is not lost. we realized that even unhealthy looking skin can be encouraged to act and appear younger and healthier. If your body was unhealthy, you would take steps to get better. In the same way, just by taking the right care of skin that looks unhealthy, you can transform it into visibly healthy skin at any age. My team and I developed the Artistry Skin Nutrition formulas to specifically address the nutritional needs of all 5 barriers. The result? Visibly healthy skin, smoother, revitalized, and radiant. Thanks for joining me. I hope you learned something new. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Ron Kong. I'm a senior research scientist in our advanced imaging lab. Every Amway artistry product has gone through multiple steps of rigorous tests to make sure consumers have a safe and efficacious product. Efficacy testing is one of those tests that ensure superb product performance. Let me show you some examples of how we test our artistry products in the state-of-the-art Amway Advanced Imaging and Measurement Lab. This is the skin moisturization test. This instrument can visualize and quantify the skin hydration conditions. So first, we test the bare skin. You can see the skin surface here. The brightness of the image is directly related to the skin hydration level. Now, let's apply one of our Artistry Skin Nutrition Moisturizers. And let the skin absorb it for 15 minutes. Let's take another reading. You can see the drastic increase in the brightness of the image, indicating significant skin moisturization, which we proved in our testing can last for at least 24 hours. Using the Artistry Skin Nutrition Moisturizers. Here is another example. We used our infrared thermal camera to test the cooling effect of the Artistry Skin Nutrition Balancing Lotion. This colorful facial image represents the temperature of the face. As you can see, upon the application of the moisturizer, the temperature dropped immediately, showing the instant cooling effect of this moisturizer. Those are just 2 types of testing we performed on the Artistry Skin Nutrition formula to prove their efficacy. Overall, we have tested hundreds of panelists in the lab and confirmed different aspects of the high performance of the Artistry Skin Nutrition formulas, all to bring you the best in skincare, and we can prove it. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Jesse Leverett, a research fellow at Amway. During the early development of Artistry Skin Nutrition, my team and I worked with Dr. Gary Fisher from the University of Michigan. Gary is a director of photoaging and aging research in the Department of Dermatology. Dr. Fisher led research on skin biopsies acquired across the age spectrum and generated this molecular health chart by age. Molecular phenotypes, or markers of health, are mapped against chronological age of people in the study. These are developed and constructed of molecular markers of health at each age. From this, we were able to understand more about the health inside the skin as one ages, which allowed for screening of new interventions to take place. Notice it's not a linear decline in skin health with age. Inverting this graph to start with the healthiest skin markers and ending with unhealthiest gave us a view into the progression of decline. The black line indicated an average aging determined by the molecular markers. Notice, some people at various ages displayed worse than average health and others better than average health. This insight gave rise to the understanding that because of a variety of factors, both intrinsic and extrinsic, like sun exposure, smoking, and lifestyle, Some people will show faster decline in the signs of skin health and others will show slower decline. This is why the concept of chronological aging may not be the best description of skin health. At any given age, some people may have healthier looking skin than others. Our goal with ARTISTRY formulations is to fortify the skin against factors that cause faster decline in skin health and push the skin toward a healthier looking aging. Using data from ARTISTRY's global facial image database, we already understood when visible signs of aging usually occur. The left side of the arrow shows when the damage begins inside the skin. As the arrow moves to the right, the signs of aging become more visible on the surface and continues to become more prominent. We layered this data on top of the molecular aging work from the University of Michigan, and now we have a predictive chart showing when average signs of aging become apparent visually and the speed at which they occur. Notice until about age 35, the skin is very resilient and can bounce back from the stressors that cause unhealthy looking skin. The decrease in health declines faster after this. Age 35 is about an average of what we've seen in this data. Skin has an inherent ability to protect and repair itself, but after years of assault from the environment, its resilience begins to wear down and we see a steeper decline in health. Before age 35, you need to preserve skin resilience with strong preventative interventions. After age 35, more focus is on repairing the accumulated damage. Based on this knowledge, we were able to use a novel cell assay developed at the University of Michigan based on the molecular markers of skin health. Dr. Gary Fisher developed a model using primary fibroblasts from skin biopsies that mimic the progression of healthy to unhealthy in only 2 weeks. Instead of waiting a lifetime, as indicated on this chart, we were able to use this accelerated model to test botanical complexes for their ability to prevent the decline of health and restore it to unhealthy cells. By understanding the progression of cells from healthy to unhealthy, we were able to test populations of cells at different points along this progression. What we found was that some of our ingredients excelled at different points, but together the complexes displayed synergistic effects. The more interesting finding was that although the synergy of the prevent complex causes it to excel at prevention of healthy cells from becoming unhealthy, it can also repair some of the early signs of unhealthiness. This means that users up to about 35 will find comfort in knowing that the prevent complex will help prevent unhealthiness and also repair those early signs of unhealthiness. Likewise, the repair complex excels at the repair of cells that are already unhealthy, but we found that it can also prevent further unhealthiness. This is a very important finding. Only at Amway have we discovered a new way to improve the healthy look of skin with key botanical complexes that self-adjust to both prevent and repair to improve skin's healthy appearance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in this series to learn more.